If you're trying to decide which of these two popular accounting tools offers the best client portal experience, you've come to the right place. I've used both of them extensively, and while they each have their merits, there are some important differences that could influence your decision, especially if client interaction is a priority for your business. Let's jump right into it. Both FreshBooks and Zoho Books offer client portal features, but they have different strengths. In FreshBooks, clients can log in to view and pay their invoices, track project progress, and communicate with you directly through the portal. It's intuitive and simple for both business owners and clients to use, which is a huge plus. The design is user-friendly, making it easy for your clients to access the information they need without unnecessary confusion. But there's a catch. While the basic features are solid, FreshBooks has limitations in customization. You can't really tailor the portal to match your branding or integrate advanced features without upgrading to higher-tier plans. Now, let's talk about Zoho Books. This one is a bit more flexible. The client portal in Zoho Books allows clients to view invoices, make payments, and track projects, just like FreshBooks. But here's where Zoho stands out. The level of customization is far greater. You can personalize the client portal to fit your brand, offering a more cohesive experience for your clients. You can even set up a self-service portal where clients can update their own details, access documents, and communicate through chat. The downside here is that Zoho's interface is a bit more complicated, and some users may find it overwhelming. It's not quite as sleek as FreshBooks, and getting the most out of the customization options requires a bit more of a learning curve. Next thing, user access controls. In FreshBooks, you can control which parts of the portal your clients can see. While it's not as granular as Zoho Books, it's good enough for small businesses who want to maintain control over what clients see. Zoho, on the other hand, offers more in-depth permissions, allowing you to set very specific user access levels, which could be a game changer for larger teams or businesses with more complex needs. The fourth thing to consider is communication. FreshBooks makes it simple to send messages to clients through the portal, but it lacks some of the interactive options available in Zoho. Zoho Books offers a built-in chat feature and even allows clients to leave comments directly on the invoices or documents. This can help you keep all communication in one place, making it easier to stay organized. The fifth point is mobile access. Both FreshBooks and Zoho Books offer mobile apps, but FreshBooks generally receives higher praise for its mobile experience. The app is more polished and easier to navigate, which could be a major factor if you're often on the go and need to stay connected with clients. Zoho's app is functional, but tends to be less intuitive and sometimes more glitchy compared to FreshBooks. Finally, let's talk about integrations. FreshBooks integrates with a range of third-party apps, but if you need more advanced tools or features, you might find yourself limited unless you upgrade. Zoho Books, being part of the Zoho suite, offers deep integrations with a wide range of Zoho tools, plus a broader selection of third-party integrations. This gives you much more flexibility if your business relies on various tools. So, which software is better for client portal features? Both FreshBooks and Zoho Books have their pros and cons. If you're a small business owner who needs something simple and easy to use, FreshBooks might be the way to go. But if you need more customization, detailed user access control, and deeper integrations, Zoho Books could be a better fit. But here's the catch: after testing both of these platforms myself, I've found a better alternative for client portal features. If you want a smoother, more customizable client experience with fewer limitations, you should take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Take a moment, try it out, and see how it compares. Trust me, it's worth it.